It's that time of year again.
Yep, time to forego most social norms and spend a day fighting your fellow Americans for holiday deals. All so that mega stores can make their final push to achieving their 2018 bottom line.
Well said, Sarah. It's Black Friday, and we feel it is our civic duty to help our fellow Americans.
Tell them how, Scott.
Well, hey, if you're going to fight the masses, you better make sure that that fight is worth it. So today we're helping you make the best power tool buying decisions you can.
We are highlighting some of the best tool reviews and comparisons from 2018 in the hopes that you can nail this year's gifts and not have to worry about buying a gift receipt.
Guys, it is November 23rd.
And this is your Coptool Week in Review.
Black Friday edition. "2018 saw an increase in the number of cordless impact wrenches on the market, and it can be tough to know which is the right one to buy for that special someone. Not only do they come in different sizes, but also different battery platforms. Rich at the Boss Garage, he gave us a complete review this year of each Milwaukee impact wrench, 5 in total, on both the 12-volt and 18-volt platforms. Brian over at Workshop Addict gave us a similar video as well using the Ingersoll Rand lineup of impacts, both 12-volt and 20-volt. Both videos address the same question: which impact wrench is right for the job? And that's important because, contrary to popular belief, size does matter. You can watch both videos in the links below.
If you're going big with power tool gift giving this year, a job site table saw will certainly impress. But there's only 2 big table saw comparison videos online this year for you to watch and decide which model is best for you. One video has 8 different models, precision metrics, and a team of skilled professionals completing all of the testing. And then there's ours. Whichever you choose to watch, either the fantastic Toolbox Buzz review or our own video of the Coptool table saw shootout, you'll find that one model is near the top of both lists. So here's a hint: just go buy the skill saw.
Maybe you're in the market for a great impact driver. If so, Roger and his team at Skill Builder gave us a great video this year that compares 8 different models, measuring power, performance, features, and even noise. Roger's so concerned with the accuracy of their video that this version is their 2nd attempt. They actually took down the original version after listening to viewer feedback. Bravo, Skill Builder. I gave up on reading our viewer comments months ago. If instead you're looking for a good hammer drill, check out the Comparo video by Oz Tool Talk. And if you're wanting a solid drill driver comparison, don't forget that this week, Toolbox Buzz is putting the finishing touches on their massive 12 model drill driver comparison.
Selecting a circ saw can be a tough choice, so here's 3 videos that will help you make the sharpest selection. First up, the guys at Pro Tool Reviews turned on their floodlights to discuss whether a left blade or right blade circular saw is best. It's not just a question of lefty versus righty, but also which is the safest and most accurate for the user. Next, the team at Workshop Addict digs deep into which worm drive circular saw is best between 4 different 7 1/4 models: Skillsaw, Bosch, Rigid, and Hitachi. And last but certainly not least, Vinny from VCG slaps his ringing endorsement on what he claims are the 3 best circular saws on the market. Find out why at VCG Construction on YouTube, where there is so many tool buying guides we could have filled our entire show with just VCG content. Do you ever sleep, Vinny?
Making their debut on this critically acclaimed program is Brian's Lawn Maintenance, who posted a great video this month that will help you choose a new electric chainsaw. Brandon and Brian test out 4 different battery-powered chainsaws from Milwaukee, Stihl, Echo, and DeWalt. They endorse battery chainsaws in general and point out a number of features to look for when making your own purchase. If only I had seen this video before attempting to cut down our family Christmas tree this year with my new Works jaw saw. That was a terrible purchase. If you want a great electric chainsaw under the tree this year, be sure to check out Brian's Lawn Maintenance on YouTube.
An oscillating multi-tool is a great gift for people of any skill level and trade, but it can be a tough decision with so many options on the market. Kenny at Pro Tool Reviews was apparently up for the challenge this year as he led a huge oscillating tool review that tackled 26 different models. There's a great detailed article at ProToolReviews.com or check out the video on YouTube. Just don't lose your mind like the rest of the commenters there about the lack of testing footage. It's not Bigfoot, people. You don't need video proof.
You know, winter is here and lots of those projects on your to-do list just got a lot colder. But thankfully, new heated gear is also here from Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, and Bosch. If only there was a way to know which was the warmest, fit the best, and had the least cumbersome battery, and frankly, the best features. Just kidding. Kenny at PTR again knocks this review out of the park. Currently, there's just a blog post detailing their results, but I'm sure the guys at PTR will make a video version soon, giving YouTube commenters a chance to complain about the lack of video footage of dudes wearing battery-powered jackets outside. You can go make an informed and warm decision at ProToolReviews.com.
Purchasing a shop vac for Christmas is literally the only time that you want your gift to actually suck. So make sure your gift sucks the most by watching Toolbox Buzz's shop vac comparison. In another example of the TBB crew impressively flexing their comparative muscles, they cover all of the features and performances of 8 different shop vac models in the slew of tests. Make the right purchase this holiday season by watching this video. Then all you'll have to worry about is finding a gift bag big enough to wrap that darn thing.
Toolbox Buzz wants to make sure that your shop vacs suck, but that your stocking stuffers don't. And that's why they also tested 15 different tape measures this year to make sure that your loved ones get a tape measure that actually measures up. Who wrote these awful jokes? Oh, I did. That's right. I thought I wrote this segment for Sarah, but whatever, doesn't matter. Because no matter what the trade, a tape measure is important. So don't skimp out by buying some plastic yellow throwaway model that you picked up last minute in the checkout line. Put it down now if that's where you are watching this video. Make sure you get the best tape measure money can buy by watching Toolbox Buzz on YouTube.
Hopefully these videos have given you plenty to watch, but maybe you accidentally clicked on this video, got lost in the cornucopia of power tool info, and now you simply have no idea what brand of tool you want to shop for. Well, good news, because the Tool Boss gave us his insight on 6 major tool brands this year. And if there's one thing we love about the Tool Boss, well, not just the intro music that he sang himself, it's the fact that he doesn't hold a punch for anyone. So if you're looking for an unbiased and unedited feedback on DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita, Rigid, Bosch, and Ryobi, then you're going to love his video. Check him out at Tool Boss on YouTube.
And that's a wrap on our 35th episode. Odds are you're still standing in line awaiting the next available cashier, so while you're waiting, you might as well go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons.
Now remember guys, this is the only day of the year where you can violate the personal space of the people around you. So after you click subscribe, go ahead and grab the phone of the person next to you and get them subscribed as well.
Yeah. You always have the best ideas, Sarah.
Thanks. Before I forget, shout out to the French-Canadian Carpenter's amazing #ToolObsessed video on Instagram. Go check out that masterpiece if you have not done so already.
That was amazing. Speaking of Tool Obsessed, what's on your Christmas wish list?
Probably the Bosch Freak or the Milwaukee 3-inch cutoff tool, for sure. What about you?
Nice. Well, I'm pretty sure that my wife's going to get me some new heated gear. Mostly so that she can borrow it and take it to work for herself for outdoor recess duty at school.
You know who has the best deals on outdoor heated gear, right?
Oh yeah, Ohio Power Tool, of course. Thanks. Excellent segue.
Thanks, and thanks for sponsoring our show, Ohio Power Tool.
And thanks to you guys for watching. If only there was a holiday this week for all of this thankfulness.
We all hope that you guys had a great Thanksgiving. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!